how to make this cute DIY card for Valentine's Day or just to say I love you. So I've started with this plain white card, but I always think it's too thick when I fold it. But if you do feel that way, as long as you just push like really firmly along the edge, then you'll get rid of any wee wrinkles. And then you want to get yourself 2 hearts. So my ones were 4.5 centimetres wide. I cut them with my Cricut, but obviously cut them however you can. Ideally you want them to be identical, so even make one and then use it as a template. So then I've just eyeballed to find the centre, but then I got a little bit fussy and I spent ages like measuring to make sure it was actually in the centre. I'm making a rectangle that was about like 0.6 centimetres by 5 centimetres, and honestly it looks as if it was a wee bit too big, but it just needs to be the height of your heart so that it can fit through. I used a knife to cut out the rectangle, but the edge of your scissors, or even just like really small scissors, like little nail scissors, would be perfect. And if you're at this stage, I'd love if you could leave a wee heart in the comments. Next, I took one of the hearts and I folded perfect down the middle, and then I remembered I wanted a little insert, so I grabbed another shade of pink card, cut it slightly smaller so there'd be like a gap around the edge. And then I've cheated and used my Cricut to write the words and then just coloured it in black, but if you are more artistic, I'd imagine most people will just like write anything that you want around the heart. If you are doing it yourself though, probably leave that bit till the end if you can. I stuck the insert in as centred as I could. And then the next bit was like a little bit trial and error-y, so you need to position the inside heart so that the folded one sits perfect in the middle of it. So I covered the inside one in glue, and when I kind of eyeballed it and put it in the centre, it wasn't lining up perfect. So yeah, I was like kind of like half, had the card like half closed so that I could kind of push it in, and I was trying to get the centre of the heart lined up like in the centre of the gap that I had cut. Then I'm gluing at the edge of the folded heart and sticking it on and just pushing firmly to keep it stuck. I think I kind of pushed for like a little minute just to make sure it was nice and stuck down. Close it over, and I've added just little hearts around the edge. I think most of the way through this project I didn't think it was going to turn out that good until I added those wee hearts around the edge, and it just seemed to like bring it all together and just make it really cute. Let me know what you think and if you'll have a go making it. Thanks for watching.